Hi everybody, this is a quick review of the TOVIA side cutter machine. I already used it once, and in my opinion it cuts very good. It got a very strong power to it. It uses regular Makita batteries, this style. Focus. This style of batteries. And if you have already some, you can just buy the tool itself. If not, you can buy with batteries. The battery lasts about, I don't know, 30 minutes. I got 2 batteries, so I got an hour of total use. It's sufficient for my application. Now I show you how it's cut and how to operate. The machine also can be adjustable. Just open it up here. And the machine close, extend and close. Very nice. You got this button right here with the safety. You push the safety and the button and the machine will operate. If you like the tool, I put links in the description box below so you can check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video.